Craig from Pearland has a question about door restoration.
Well, his front doors are old enough to vote.
Okay.
They're 18.
Oh, nice.
Craig writes, they're in very good shape. Solid mahogany, he says, with glass inserts stained both sides, inside and out. He says, my locks are Baldwin brass, which are, those are nice locks.
Yeah.
He says, they're too complicated for local contractors, so I'm wondering if they're mortised locks. You know, that kind. Anyway, he wants to know what's involved in this. It sounds like a job for Rudy to me.
To refinish the door?
Yeah, the inside, the outside of it, yeah.
Yeah, call even inside, outside, the whole door. They'll be careful with your locks. It's not a big deal. And that's probably just they bought the unit and it was all made, you know, in a shop where it all fit nice and they had all the good tools and stuff. Wasn't a guy out there with a chisel trying to put this thing together. But as far as that goes, yeah, you need someone who's good, someone that does more than just paints, but they actually do a lot of refinishing and things like that. And Rudy's Quality Painting's the way to go.
Well, what will be? Is there any special process to this? I mean, they're going to have to take the hardware off, I imagine.
Not necessarily. Not necessarily. We'll have to see. Yeah, I'm going to let Rudy make that decision.
Okay.
But you don't want to hurt it. I mean, you've got to be careful around it. Right. But if there's no sanding involved and it's just cleaning and restaining with a gel coat or something, not a big deal. It depends on the process
you put
they
a
use.
gel coat on a mahogany door?
You can.
Okay.
Yeah, if it's in really bad shape and sanding it down, you sand that thing enough and you'll sand right through it.
Okay.
If it's stained, you get enough water and stuff inside mahogany and it's stained permanently. That's why you got to keep on top of it with these hardwood doors.
All right. And we'll keep on top of your questions when you send them to us. Send them to HomeShowRadio.com on our website. You can see other videos we've done over here. And would you subscribe to our channel? You'd help us out.